This is Horizontal Addition 10, in which you will learn to add 8. In this book, you will do 4 pages per day. Your goal is to do all 4 pages in 6 minutes or less with 8 mistakes or less. Parents, make sure to grade your students' homework and practice oral facts with them every day. Practice oral facts every day before your homework to warm up your brain and to memorize your facts. To practice oral facts, go down one column and just say the answers out loud. Have someone listen to you to see if you are correct. Then go back up the column. Practice every day to be fast. Your goal is to say the answers one way in 10 seconds or less. Make sure you do both columns. Let's do the first few together. 9, 11, 15, 10. On this page, we're going to focus on the top first. Here we have a word problem. Let's read the problem and the directions. It says, Sally had 8 chairs. She bought 3 more later. How many total chairs does she have now? Write a number sentence and find the answer. First, let's look closer at the question. How many does she have total? The word total is a clue. When you see it in a word problem, it's telling you that you're going to add in this problem. So now we need to figure out which 2 numbers we're adding together. Let's look back at the problem. It says, Sally had 8 chairs. She bought 3 more later. So the 2 numbers given are 8 and 3. So let's start our number sentence and then we'll find the answer. So we have 8 plus 3. Well, 8 plus 3 equals 11. So Sally has 11 chairs total. So now let's look at the bottom of the same page. On this first problem, we have 2 numbers on the left and we need to add them together to get the solution and put that on the right. So here we have 8 plus 4. What is 8 plus 4? It's 12. On the next problem, we have 1 number on the left and the solution on the right. So 8 plus what equals 15? 8 plus what equals 15? 8 plus 7 equals 15. On this drill page, we're going to work on adding 8. So first, notice that these problems go in order. Now let's work on the first one. Here we have 0 plus 8, which equals 8, because anything plus 0 equals the same number. The next problem is 1 plus 8, which is 1 more than the last problem. So 1 plus 8 equals 9, 1 more than 8. Following the order, we have 2 plus 8, which equals 10, and 3 plus 8, which equals 11. On this drill page, we're going to focus on number 20 and 21. Let's look at number 20 first. Here we have 6 plus 8, which equals 14. Next, we have 8 plus 6, which also equals 14. With these 2 problems, you'll notice that the same numbers make the same answers. Meaning, if you change the order of the numbers you are adding, the sum, or the answer, stays the same. So when you're having trouble with a problem, add the smaller number to the bigger number. Let's go on to the next page. We're going to focus on the bottom of the page to look at the addition patterns. When solving addition patterns, we have 2 ways of looking at it. First, we will solve with place value. So here we have 1 plus 8, or 1 1 plus 8 ones, which equals 9 ones. So 1 plus 8 equals 9. So next we have 10 plus 80, or 1 10 plus 8 tens, which equals 9 tens. So 10 plus 80 equals 90. Following that is 100 plus 800, or 100 plus 800s, which equals 900s. So 100 plus 800 equals 900. Now let's look at the same addition pattern in a different way. First, notice that 1 plus 8, 10 plus 80, and 100 plus 800 are similar because they use the same numbers, 1 and 8. So they have similar answers. Let's get started. First we have 1 plus 8, which equals 9. Next is 10 plus 80, which is 1 plus 8, but a 0 attached. So 10 plus 80 equals 9 with a 0 attached, or 90. Last is 100 plus 800, or 1 plus 8 with 2 zeros attached. So 100 plus 800 equals 900, or 9 with 2 zeros attached. Let's work on another addition pattern. Here we have 4 plus 8, 40 plus 80, and 400 plus 800. The similar numbers are 4 and 8. So first we have 4 plus 8, which equals 12. Next is 40 plus 80, which is 4 plus 8 with a 0 attached. So it equals 12 with a 0 attached, or 40 plus 80 equals 120. Last we have 400 plus 800, which equals 1,200, or 12 with 2 zeros attached, because 400 plus 800 is 4 plus 8 with 2 zeros attached. Now let's work on adding with double-digit numbers. Let's look at the first 4 problems. The first one is 0 plus 8. Well, 0 plus 8 equals 8. Next is 10 plus 8. Notice that 10 is 10 more than 0. So 10 plus 8 is 10 more than 0 plus 8. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 more than 8. Okay, so next we have 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Next is 11 plus 8. 11 is 10 more than 1. So 11 plus 8 equals 19. 10 more than 9. Remember, for success in this book, have your parents grade your homework and practice oral facts daily.